Welcome back to X Solutions. In today's tutorial, we're going to tackle a common problem, the need for home, office, or business security when you're on a budget. Have you ever wanted to enhance your security, but couldn't afford expensive security camera systems just yet? If you have two smartphones or a computer with a webcam, you're in luck, because today, we'll show you a simple and cost-effective solution. In this tutorial, we'll introduce you to Alfred Home Security Camera, a versatile app available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Whether you're using two mobile phones, one as a security camera and the other as a monitor, or a computer with a wired webcam, this app will help you set up a reliable surveillance system with minimal effort. For this demonstration, we'll be using a computer with a wired webcam to monitor and secure our office. But the app works just as well for phones, and it's flexible enough to suit different setups. So, stay tuned, and make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Watch until the end to get the full tutorial and learn how to implement this cost-effective security solution. Let's get started. Now, to get started, open your browser on either your computer or phone and search for Alfred Camera WebView. Once the results appear, click on the official link to access the WebView feature. This will allow you to monitor your security camera feed directly from your browser, making it easier to manage and keep an eye on your space, whether you're at home or away. Once the Alfred Camera WebView page is open, the next step is to sign up using your Google account. This will give you secure access to your camera feed from anywhere. Simply click on the Sign in with Google button, follow the prompts, and grant the necessary permissions. This step ensures that your devices are linked and ready for remote monitoring. After successfully signing in with your Google account, follow these steps. Click on the web camera icon located in the top right corner of the screen, next to your profile icon. A new tab will open. Wait for the second tab to load, where you'll be guided through the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the app to connect your camera. These steps will help you link your computer's webcam or phone camera to the Alfred system, turning it into a functional security camera. Once completed, your camera will be ready for monitoring. Now that our webcam is successfully connected, let's move on to using your phone to remotely monitor the camera feed when you're not around. Next, we'll set up the phone you'll use for surveillance. Follow these steps. Grab the phone you want to use as your security camera. Open the Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Search for Alfred Home Security Camera in the store. Once you find it, install the app. After installation is complete, open the app to begin the setup process. With the app open, we'll proceed to the next steps to configure this phone as a surveillance camera. After opening the Alfred Home Security Camera app, follow these steps. Tap Continue with Google. Select the same Google account you used on your computer or the other phone that you set up as the camera. Sign in, and the app will automatically sync with the account, linking this phone to your Alfred camera system. Now, as you can see, We've successfully accessed the camera we set up on our office computer right from our phone. It's a simple, cost-effective way to monitor your home or office remotely without the need for expensive equipment. With Alfred Home Security Camera, you can easily repurpose your existing devices to keep an eye on things from anywhere, anytime. Thank you for watching this tutorial on X Solutions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future tips and tutorials. Also, feel free to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. We hope this helps you secure your space with ease. Until next time, stay safe and take care.